Welcome to Study Session 14, Dewey Decimal Classification Scheme, DDC. Introduction. Quite a number of schemes have been devised for classifying the library collection. Notable ones are Dewey Decimal Classification Scheme, DDC, Universal Decimal Classification Scheme, UDC, Library of Congress Classification Scheme, LCC, and Bliss Classification Scheme. The oldest surviving classification scheme is DDC, which was named after its originator, Dr. Melville Dewey, who compiled it when he was a student library assistant in Amherst College Library in 1896. Learning outcome. Define the basic concepts of Dewey Decimal Classification Scheme. The basic concepts of Dewey Decimal CL. The Dewey classification is called decimal because it arranges all knowledge as represented by library materials into 10 broad subject classes numbered from 000 to 900. Using Arabic numerals for symbols, it is flexible only to the degree that numbers can be expanded in linear fashion to over special aspects of general subjects. According to DDC, the whole field of knowledge is divided into 10 classes, 0 to 99, general works, e.g., encyclopedia and other reference materials, 100 to 199, philosophy, 200 to 299, religion, 300 to 399, social sciences, economics, government, education, and so on, 400 to 499, languages, 500 to 599, pure science, 600 to 699, technology, applied science, 700 to 799, arts, 800 to 899, literature, 900, history, geography, and biography. Each of the main classes is subdivided. For example, the main class for science is subdivided into general sciences, anthropology, mathematics, astronomy, physics, chemistry, geology, pathology, biology, botany, and zoology, while each subdivision is further subdivided. For example, the subject mathematics, which is a subdivision of science, is further subdivided into generalities, algebra, arithmetic, topology, analysis and calculus, geometry, probability, and applied mathematics. The main classes are subdivided as follows: 500 to 509, science in general, 510 to 519, mathematics, 520 to 529, astronomy, 530 to 539, physics, 540 to 549, chemistry, 550 to 559, geology, 570 to 579, anthropology and biology, 580 to 589, zoology. Each subdivision is further divided. For example, mathematics is divided as follows: mathematics including weights and measures, generalities including mathematical logic, Boolean algebra, graph theory, mathematical models and numerical analysis, topology, algebra, arithmetic including logarithms, permutation, numeration systems, for example, binary, decimal, ready reckoners, topology, analysis, and calculus. Geometry including Euclidean and non-Euclidean geometry, planes, solid trigonometry, probability and applied mathematics. The classification number of a book with classification number 516 can be interpreted as 500, the subject which is science, 510, the subject which is mathematics, 516, further subdivision of mathematics which is geometry. The book with classification number 516 is geometry, and this number will be for other geometry books, even though they may not be the same book in terms of the author. Apart from providing for various subjects, it also takes care of the form in which the book appears. This is a standard subdivision table, and it is referred to as Table 1. Standard subdivision table. Philosophy and theory and exposition of the subject. Miscellany is subject treated briefly or in outline. Dictionaries, encyclopedias. General, special, reserved for special concepts that have general application, e.g., God. Serial publication, organization, study and teaching, collections. Historical and geographical treatment, description by area, and geographical treatment by continent, country, and locality. Table 2. When a given heading can be subdivided geographically, and the library has many books dealing with that subject, it is recommended that the classifier use Table 2, Area Table, which allows one to expand the number systematically by region or site. 1. Areas, regions, places in general. 2. The ancient world. 4. Europe. 42. Great Britain. 43. Germany. 44. France. 47. USSR. 54. India. 56. Africa. 61. North Africa. 65. Algeria. 66. West Africa. 67. Ghana. 68. Nigeria. 7. North America. 71. Canada. 73. United States. 74. Australia. Other tables in DDC are Table 3. This contains a subdivision of individual literature. Table 4. Individual languages. This table is used with base number for individual languages as explained under 420 to 490. It provides mnemonic form divisions for language, written and spoken codes for the standard form of the language. For example, 431. Written and spoken codes for standard Germany. Etymology of the standard form of language. Dictionaries of the standard form of language. Structural system of the standard form of language. Grammar. The grammar of the standard form of Portuguese. Non-standard forms of the language. Standard usage of the language. Table 5. Racial, ethnic, national groups is used according to specific instructions at certain places in the schedules or through the interposition of 089 treatment among specific racial, ethnic, national groups. These applications are exactly parallel to the use of Table 2, either on direct instructions in the schedule or on interposition of historical and geographical treatment. The Table 5 is summary, which is 1. North Americans, 2. Anglo-Saxons, British English, 3. Nordics, 4. Modern Latins, 5. Italians, Romanians, related groups, 6. Spanish and Portuguese, 7. Other Italic peoples, 8. Greeks and related groups, 9. Other racial, ethnic, national groups. Table 6. Languages is a basic mnemonic table used to indicate the particulars language of a work, or which is the subject matter of a work. It is used as instructed in the tables and particularly relevant to classes 400 and 800. Table 7. Persons used when the schedules say to add the person's notation to a base number. The table deals with various characteristics of person. The relative index. The index constitutes the third volumes of the DDC. The index of DDC enumerates alphabetically all the main headings in the classification schedules. The relative index is so called because it is claimed 10 show relationship of each specific topic to its discipline and to other topics. Terminological subdivisions are indicated not by hyphens, but by list of entries successively indented from the left margins of each column. Many see also references are given in italics, for example, organizations, kinds, e.g., labor unions, corporations. Summary for study session 14. The concept of Dewey Decimal Classification Scheme, the various tables and relative index of DDC, and how to use the DDC in classifying library materials. From the lecture, it is discovered that Dewey divides all knowledge into 9 subject classes, 100 to 900, with a 10th for general materials. Each class is subdivided by 10, this 10 again by 10, and then each whole number by decimals for specific breakdown. End of study session 14. Thanks for listening.